Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. During summer, most of us love a nice, cool and refreshing drink that is also healthy and keeps us going throughout the day. Today I'm going to share 4 different rich, refreshing and cool drinks which is milk based. These are very tasty and very easy to make. So let's get started and check out the recipe. For the pista milk, first we're going to soak some pistachios in some milk. For this, take 1/4 cup of unsalted pistachios to a bowl. Add about 1/2 cup of warm milk. I'm also going to add a few strands of saffron. We're going to soak this for about 15-20 minutes. After 15 minutes, add the soaked pistachios along with the milk and saffron to a mixer jar and grind it to a nice fine paste. Remove the pista paste from the mixer jar and keep it aside. Now to make the pista milk, to a large mixer jar, add 1 cup of boiled and cooled milk. Next add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now you can adjust the sugar according to your taste. Next add 1/2 teaspoon cardamom powder. Add the ground pistachio paste. Add a few ice cubes and blend everything together. This rich and creamy pistachio milk is ready. Serve it with a few ice cubes, nice and chilled. For the badam flavored milk, that is the almond flavored milk, I'm going to soak a few strands of saffron in some hot milk. For this, add 1 cup of hot milk to a cup. Add a few strands of saffron and let this sit for a few minutes. So after a few minutes, if you see, the flavor of the saffron is infused into the milk. For the badam milk, I've soaked about 1/2 cup of almonds, that is the badam, overnight. So they've nicely plumped up. I've removed the skin and kept it aside. So I'm going to make a nice creamy paste from these almonds that have been soaked. Add the almonds to the mixer jar. Pour some milk and grind it to a nice fine paste. Remove the almond paste, that is the badam paste, from the mixer jar and keep it aside. To make the badam milk, add the ground badam paste to a nice large mixer jar. Add about 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can adjust the sweetness according to your taste. Add 1/2 teaspoon of cardamom powder. I'm adding 2 cups of milk. One is a regular boiled and cooled milk. And the second cup is the saffron milk. Add a few ice cubes and blend everything together. This cool, refreshing, rich and creamy badam flavored milk is ready to be served. Serve it with a few ice cubes, nice and chilled. I've garnished it with a few slices of almonds, pistachios and some saffron. Fruit mixture is a very interesting and very refreshing drink which is perfect for the summer. It's a mix of fresh fruits and badam milk. I've taken about 6 varieties of fruits for this recipe. To a bowl, add about 4 medium-sized bananas that have been cut up. Next, add about 1 cup of chopped mango. Next, add 1 cup of chopped papaya, 1 cup of chopped pineapple, 1 cup of chopped apple, and 1/2 cup of pomegranate seeds. Using a masher, I'm just going to mash all the fruits together. So you mash everything till it becomes a little nice and mushy and soft. So the fruit mix is done. I'm just going to add some chopped grapes. I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of rose syrup. Just mash everything one more time. So you can also add sugar if you don't have rose syrup, that's fine. So now I'm going to assemble the fruit mixture drink. To a glass, pour the prepared badam milk. You can pour about half of the glass. Next, add some of the prepared fruit mixture. While drinking it, you can just mix everything together and enjoy it. This is a very popular drink down south, usually had during summers. So you can mix any fruits of your choice to make this particular drink. To make the rose milk, to a tall mixer jar, add 2 cups of boiled and cooled milk. I'm using full fat milk for all the drinks. Next, add 2 tablespoons of rose syrup. Now I've made a video on how to make homemade rose syrup. You can check out that video and make your own rose syrup at home. Add a few ice cubes and quickly blend everything together. To get the perfect balance of flavors, I'm adding 1 more tablespoon of rose syrup and also add about 2 tablespoons of sugar and blend everything one more time. This delicious and flavorful rose milk is done. Serve it with a few ice cubes, nice and chilled. Here are 4 incredibly delicious, rich and creamy drinks which are perfect for the summer. So now you can enjoy your summer with these cool and refreshing drinks. Now I've made 4 different types of drinks, so you can enjoy whichever you like. Do try the recipes, enjoy and share it with your family and friends.